Now using a black gel pen, we are going to give the darker areas of that silver bead, that really beautiful looking bead. We are going to do the detailing with a black gel pen. So while doing our side beads, I was contemplating whether should I paint them realistically with paints and then I came up with this idea that let's do it with a gel pen, like a sketch sort of a thing, just to add a little bit additional movement to the main object, so that the main object stands out and the other side things are just there, but they are not gaining as much importance as our main object, and deleting them would have looked very plain, and I think this looks the best. And that's how the spheres have got these C shapes at the side to give a little more spherical look. There's some design on these silverish beads and this transparent bead now. That's how you kind of give transparency by doing pen work. And now for the word of the month. Hope you enjoy this assignment as much as I did. Too much? Happy painting!